This is my new mini filter-free cool mist humidifier by Vicks in action. Thank you to Influencer for sending me this incredibly cool product to try. And as you can see, it puts out a whole bunch of vapor. It smells amazing. You put the little scent pack right there, and it smells like Vicks coming out of there. And this is headed straight to my kids' room because they are both in there coughing and sick. And I know this is going to help to make them feel better. So I'm very excited to try it and really thankful to Influencer for sending me this product complimentary.